What's up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. Today we are headed to
What you got? Hey. I hit the club with the lights on. This nigga stand on my jewelry. Game with me, bang with me. We start shooting in the club. It's scared to talk gun. You can't hang with me. Got a Tesla running right now. Oh, you gonna do a burnout, man?
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. Today we are headed to, if you know, you know. We're going there right now with Vicente. This is his first time taking his car to the runs. If you guys know, if you know, you know. If you don't, you won't. But we're about to head out there. I'm sorry I haven't been vlogging. I'm sorry I haven't uploaded a video in a while, but we're back at it again. That's what I always say, but I just haven't had time to upload another video. But today we are going to make another video, and I hope you guys like the video, and just make sure to keep supporting, loving the content. Just make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys when we get to Vicente's car. Peace. Okay, guys, we're going right now. It is currently like 10:30, 10:40. These things start around midnight. This is Charger. He's taking to the runs for the first time.
Running with my 5-0. Come on. I'm gonna talk 5-0, man.
GTR right here. R35. She's crazy. We got a Stang right here too. She's crazy as hell. Another Stang right there. The new Camaro right there. And then we have a bunch of cars over here. We're about to head out in a bit. And we got two Scatties right there.
Oh, it's a blue one. That's a fucking
Guys, we're here with FG4 Saul. Today we are here at the runs with Saul, and then underestimated Jason, and then underestimated Brian, and then also underestimated Levi.
We're here at the runs in Mexico, in Michoacan, Apatzingán, you feel me?
About to get gapped.
About to get gapped, about to give gaps.
Want to be treated to Gapplebee's full menu.
Full menu, full free menu.
When I get the HR, bro, I'll fucking smoke everybody here.
Oh
Same peak when I get my new project in.
yeah, same thing when I could finally afford my car.
And when I bring out my bird scooter too. Do you want to be on the vlog?
Yeah.
What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? You gonna go?
Yeah.
You gonna run it? Chente said if you wanna run it, he has a 50 shot. Nah, just kidding. I'll catch you there. Huh? We're about to head out. Everybody's about to head out. Catch you guys when we get there. Tesla running right now. Electric car. Yeah, the bus, the bus.
Hey, watch out, he's gonna do a burnout, man. He's gonna come quick.
¿Por qué se pone ahí el güey? Ah, pero...
Oh, the cops are over there, wait.
¿Sí?
Yeah, wait. Oh shit. Go to. Go to the block. Métete, go. To your left, wait, fuck it. Miren, güey. Damn, bro. They were trying to block everything, bro.
¿Qué?
You should have gone this way.
Go this way, wait.
No, güey.
Go.
Hey, Chente. What kind of flag you wave? Huh? What kind of flag you? I'll give you a head start. Why? Against boss. What's that?
Against boss?
¿Por qué?
I'm trying to put some money on this.